Electrodrive's Tug Rise is an Australian-made powered tug designed to make moving heavy-wheeled loads safer and easier, especially on steep ramps. Ideal for towing 660 or 1100 litre bins, it features high-traction heavy-duty wheels, an ergonomic design and zero emissions. Beware competitors' models not designed for slopes. They can be extremely dangerous. With the Tug Rise, a single user can confidently tow up to 1 tonne on a 15-degree incline or 5 tonnes on flat ground, reducing the risk of strain and injury from manually pushing or pulling heavy loads. To power the unit, insert the key and turn. Use the direction switch for forward or reverse, and select from 3 speed modes: slow, walk or fast. In an emergency, press the red stop button to halt immediately. Twist to reset. The built-in back-off button provides protection by stopping the tug immediately and then automatically reversing to prevent the operator from becoming pinned between the tug and an object. If towing multiple bins, link them securely using our hitching bracket designed for 660 and 1100 litre bins. Align the bin's tow point with the Tug Rise. Insert the hitch pin and secure it into place. For additional safety, attach the chain from the bin to the tug. You're now ready to tow. When towing, ensure you use directional locks on rear casters for safe steering. The Tug Rise is easy to manoeuvre on flat surfaces or inclines. Always lead the tug and load, never push from behind. This ensures clear forward visibility and safer load control. Use a controlled, steady throttle when on ramps. Thanks to its heavy-duty traction wheels, the Tug Rise can safely stop and hold position while towing on sloped surfaces without rollback. To unhitch the bins, ensure you are on level ground and the bins are braked or chocked. Remove the safety chains. Release the hitch pin from the tug. Slowly drive the tug forward. Then release the hitching bracket between the bins. Charge the Tug Rise overnight using the supplied charger. Visit the website for more information.